everybody, in this video I'm gonna speak to you about a present perfect continuous, the tense form which is formed by means of have been verb ing. When and why we use have been verb ing and in what case we can't use the formation. You will learn the answer if you keep on watching the video. I'm Jala from Speak Pure English, and if you remember, in my first video, I used have been verb ing, saying that I have been teaching for 12 years, to show that I started teaching 12 years ago, and I am still teaching. I keep on working as a teacher. I keep on doing this work. Thus, we use have been verb ing to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to now. We say, I have been doing, you have been doing, she has been doing. In negative, I haven't been doing, you haven't been doing, she hasn't been doing. In question, have I been doing? Have you been doing? Has she been doing? We use have been doing something usually to emphasize a duration, a period of time, or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. To express the duration of an action, we can use for or since. I have been learning English for 3 years. Here, for expresses the duration of an action, the period of my learning. I have been learning English since March. Here, since indicates the start of a period, the start of my learning. Let's look through some more samples. She began reading the article at 3 o'clock. Now it is 5 o'clock. She has been reading the article for 2 hours. Or we can say she has been reading the article since 3 o'clock. It began to rain on Monday. Now it is Friday. It has been raining since Monday. Or we can say it has been raining for 5 days. You should leave out for if you say all my life, all day. I have been living alone all my life. Don't say I have been living alone for all my life. It has been raining all day. Don't say it has been raining for all day. We also use have been verb ing for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. My eyes are red. Besides, I am very exhausted. I have been working a lot on my computer. It means I have just stopped working and you can see the result. Using this tense form in a question suggests that you can see, smell, hear, or feel the results of the action. You are out of breath. Have you been running? You look sunburned. Have you been sitting in the sun? Some verbs are not normally used in present perfect continuous. We don't use have been verb ing for those verbs. Why? They don't express physical actions. They just express our feelings, emotions, mental ability. I have been knowing her for a long time. It's not correct. We can't add ing to the verb know as it doesn't express a physical action. Instead, we should say I have known her for a long time. She has been loving him since last year. It's not correct. Instead, we can say she has loved him since last year. The verbs such as know, remember, understand, love, hate, forget are not used in present perfect continuous. We can say I have been remembering. We say I have remembered. I'm sure you learned new information in this video, but If you have any difficulties in present perfect continuous, if you confuse anything, please write to me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more free videos. Take care.